In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Wix website. Let's dive right in and make your site management smoother and more collaborative. The first step is to log into your Wix account. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and enter your credentials and click that login button. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page with a list of your current projects. Now that you're on your home page, you'll notice a section labeled with either Design Site or Site Actions next to your project's name. What we're looking for are the three little horizontal dots right next to that label. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This small action opens up a world of opportunities for site collaboration. From that drop-down menu, select Invite Collaborators. This is your gateway to bringing others onto your team. It's designed to be straightforward, making the whole process as seamless as possible. With this page open, you'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you'd like to invite. Imagine who would best serve your team. Maybe someone to handle technical aspects or someone great with content management. As you type in their email address, take a moment to consider what role you want them to have. You can choose to give them administrative powers by simply checking Admin or Co-Owner. Keep in mind the level of access and responsibility that goes with each role, balancing trust with capability. Besides admins, Wix provides other customizable roles. You might want a website manager to oversee the site's operations or a website designer to finesse the visual appeal. If content is your main focus, a content writer might be the right choice. There's also an option for a back office manager, perfect for handling behind-the-scenes business. Once you've input the email and selected their role, it's time to hit Send Invite. A pop-up will appear asking you how you're connected to this individual. It's a quick, simple step that helps categorize connections. Choose the option that fits best, and for this demonstration, I'm selecting Someone Else. When you're ready, click Done. Congratulations, you've just added an admin or another important collaborator to your Wix website. This change not only lightens your load, but also brings in diverse skills and viewpoints, enriching your project. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've empowered your site with a new team member. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides like this one. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.